In an awe-inspiring display of technological prowess, SpaceX has once again pushed the boundaries of space exploration by launching 28 Starlink satellites from Cape Canaveral. This event is yet another milestone in humanity's quest to revolutionize global connectivity, but it also raises fascinating questions about the future of space infrastructure. Are we ready for a world where satellite constellations become as common as cell towers? The launch occurred early Wednesday morning, with the Falcon 9 rocket soaring into the skies at precisely 7:56 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. What made this mission particularly remarkable was its seamless execution. No sonic booms disrupted the peaceful Florida morning. The booster, which has proven its reliability time and again, completed its 14th flight before touching down gracefully on the drone ship, a shortfall of Gravitas, stationed in the Atlantic Ocean at 8:04 a.m. It's hard not to marvel at how routine these landings have become, despite their inherent complexity. But here's where it gets even more impressive. Just a day earlier, SpaceX had successfully launched another batch of 24 Starlink satellites from California using a brand new Falcon 9 booster. This Tuesday night liftoff took place at 11:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time from Vandenberg Space Force Base. The new booster, designated B-1097, performed flawlessly and landed on the drone ship Of Course I Still Love You. These back-to-back launches highlight SpaceX's growing ability to deploy satellites rapidly and efficiently, cementing its position as a leader in the commercial space race. Each of these satellites joins an ever-expanding constellation that now numbers nearly 8,300 Starlink units. SpaceX's ambitious goal is to create a robust network capable of delivering high-speed internet access to every corner of the globe. Imagine remote villages streaming videos or researchers in Antarctica conducting real-time data analysis, all thanks to this interconnected web of satellites orbiting Earth. But while the promise is undeniable, some critics worry about issues like orbital congestion and light pollution caused by such large-scale projects. Today's Cape Canaveral mission marked the 109th flight for the Falcon 9 series, with over 70% of those missions dedicated to Starlink deployments. Moreover, it represented the 498th successful booster landing, a testament to SpaceX's engineering ingenuity and commitment to reusability. Reusing rockets drastically reduces costs and environmental impact, making space travel more sustainable than ever before. And yet, opinions remain divided. Some argue that focusing so heavily on private ventures might divert resources away from government-led scientific endeavors. Others believe companies like SpaceX are paving the way for a brighter, more accessible future in space. So, what do you think? Is the rapid expansion of satellite networks a necessary step toward progress, or does it come with risks we haven't fully considered? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear whether you're optimistic, skeptical, or somewhere in between.